look at me go.
It's only a snail.
Always the Casanova.
You a chicken? Are you chicken or something? Yeah, what are you, chicken? Chicken? No, who said I was chicken? I'm not chicken. Prove it. Yeah, prove it. Fine, then I will.
He won't do it. He's too scared.
What the heck, look. Oh, what's there taking that for?
There she is, Jenny Diver. Now, had we both been about 10 years older, I might have gone about this a little differently. But we weren't, so I did the only thing I could think of.
Michael, why did you hit me with a rock?
You know how they say love hurts?
Oh!
Yeah, that hurt.
Oh my gosh,
dude, you
I think
okay?
it did.
Okay?
Oh, wow.
Oh, pretty bad, man. It was a girl, too. You need me to do that?
And that's how it happened.
Hey, babe, I'm home.
Sweetheart, how was your day?
It just got a whole lot better.
Are you hungry?
I'm starved.
Go ahead and get changed. The table's all set for you.
Those look amazing.
Aw, thanks. Just make sure you leave room for dessert.
And life couldn't be better. I'm just messing with you. That didn't happen.
Are you okay now? It's a girl. It's like punch the heck out of him.
Technically, that didn't happen either. Yet. You see, although I was aiming for Jenny Diver, my aim was a little off that day. Who am I kidding? I've never had good aim. Just like every year at Little League tryouts, when I would try out for pitcher for the Rancho Cucamonga Oilers, it was the one thing that kept me off the team. Like I said before, although I was aiming for Jenny Diver, I hit that girl. Lucy Brown.
If you're going to San Francisco,
You threw that rock at me because you liked me, didn't you, Michael?
But somehow, I still got socked in the face.
You're gross. Oh my gosh.
And that's how it really happened.
He's a girl.
It's a band. Hey, Luz.
Hi, guys.
Hey, tell your brother to come hang out with us tonight.
Oh, Charlie's working tonight. Damn.
Guys, I gotta go.
Hey, babe. Hey, so what do you need help with?
There's lettuce in the sink. Can you make the salad?
Yeah.
Hey, Hey, hun, I'm just gonna go wash up real quick. Can you set the table?
Yeah, I got it. I thought we could have a romantic dinner.
Oh, that's great, but I just made macaroni and cheese.
It'd be the most romantic macaroni and cheese.
Honey, you're so cute. I hope dinner was okay. I know you're probably expecting something else.
It was perfect.
Thanks.
And that's when I knew. Hey, you're beautiful. That sometimes things don't always go as planned. Sometimes life takes over. But it's these unanticipated events, like the innocent dare, or the accidental misfire, and even the sock in the face, that are life's real miracles. And those lead us exactly where we're supposed to be.
I need you, baby. This craving makes me crazy. I'm dying inside, and I cannot hide. How could you just walk away and nonchalant and unafraid when it feels to me like you just took my soul? I need you, baby. This craving makes me crazy. I'm dying inside. Baby,